Hello students, welcome back e-learning classes of Computer of Standard 11. In our previous video, we had discussed about Synfig Studio and Toolbox. Let's move to our next topic, Canvas window of chapter number 2. When you open a new file or create a new project, you will see the Canvas window. Canvas window can be seen at the center of the user interface. This is the place where you display your artwork and create animation. Whenever we start Synfig Studio, a new Canvas window appears. The area with the gray checkboard pattern in your working area in which you can create elements, layers and manipulate them. In addition of set of menus at the top of the screen or the top of the drawing window, Synfig has a caret, the little black triangle in the upper left corner of the canvas. If you click on the caret button, the canvas window menu will pop up, which allows access to most of the Synfig features. In this image, you can see the timeline, which appears only when you have non-zero duration in the setting dialog of your project. To the left, you can see the number of the current frame and the right side two buttons to switch the animation status and to lock-unlock the keyframes. This image shows Canvas window interface. Next Synfig user interface is a panel. Panels contain tools and information about certain elements of your project. The two windows on the bottom and to the right are customizable doc dialogs. Doc means a doc is a container which can hold a collection of precedent dialogs such as tool option dialog, brushes dialog, palette dialog. We can rearrange the content of doc dialogs by dragging the panels tab to where we want it. If accidentally we close a panel, go to the toolbox, select File, Panels and click on the name of the panel you need. There are two types of panels. First one vertically panel and second one horizontally panels. The image of vertically panels displays from the left side Navigator, Info, Tool Option Panel, History, Layers. From the right side, Palette Editor, Canvas Browser and Groups. Let's discuss the function of these panels. Navigator vertically panel. The Navigator dialog box allows the user to position the zoomed working view quickly to the desired area. The Navigator dialog shows thumbnail view of the currently selected canvas with a red rectangle indicating which part of the canvas is currently displayed in the editing window. Next panel is Info. Info means information. Info gives basic information of Synfig. Next one is a tool optional panel. Tool optional panel shows you any options specific to the currently selected tool. Tool optional panel display the options you have available to apply to the current tool you are using. For the tools that can create multiple layers at the same time, the panel contextually displays the available option for the selected type of layers. Next panel is a history panel. The history panel keeps track of all the actions that are made in Synfig Studio while editing a file. The checkbox column is used to disable specific actions without going through the entire action list. So if you want to redo or undo an action or group of actions, just click on the checkbox. Next panel is a layers panel. Layers panels display the layers of your working canvas. An individual layer in Synfig represents a single primitive, example a single region, an outline of a region, an imported JPEG. This allows you to have a great deal of flexibility and control. Palette editor allows to add, edit or delete your preferred colors from your document. Next one is a Canvas browser. The Canvas browser dialog shows a tree of canvases that are present in the currently selected document. Next one is a groups layer. The groups layer is a special layer that can hold other layers. It is generated by the group command, accessed via the context menu or through the layer menu in the canvas menu caret. We will discuss horizontally panel in our next video. Thank you students.